Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will guide you on how to contact Metrobank's customer hotline using your cell phone. Whether you need assistance with your account, have inquiries, or need urgent banking support, this step-by-step guide will help you. Let's get started. First of all, open the dialer on your cell phone and enter Metrobank's official customer service hotline. After dialing, you will hear an automated voice menu. Listen carefully and select the appropriate option by pressing the corresponding number on your keypad. Common options include account inquiries, credit card services, and reporting lost or stolen cards. Follow the automated instructions for self-service options. If you need to talk to a live agent, wait for the prompt to connect with a customer service representative. This may take a few minutes, especially during peak hours. Once connected, be ready to verify your identity by providing details such as your full name, account number, and other security information. This helps ensure a secure transaction. And that's it. You have successfully connected Metrobank's hotline using your cell phone. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.